Money ain't shit without game. They say all money, good money, but if you a dummy and spent, a fool and his money shall soon be parted. If you hang around 9 broke niggas, you bound to be the 10. Niggas handing out their cash cause they too weak-hearted. What's up? I'm back. I got another video for you today. Today I'm gonna do a pattern fill in Silhouette Studio. It's something that you can use when you want to make stickers or if you do sublimation. This comes in handy. The basic concept of it is where you have some text, and instead of just adding a color to it, you may want to add a picture to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna create some text. I got a picture that I downloaded already. You can find pictures basically anywhere. You might have them in your phone. You can Google it. However you get your pictures, you get your picture. But I'm gonna use one of Mickey Mouse. So I'm gonna type in Mickey, and then I'm gonna find a different font for it, something that looks a little better. I'll use that. So now I have my pattern in here that I've added, and since I didn't show you how to add a photo to the library, what you can do is go to import library. After you have the picture saved on your computer, you'll import it to library, and you see here this is the Mickey Mouse I'm going to use. So I would just click on that, and then it'll be added into the pattern library. So once it's added into the pattern library, you'll come back over here and you just click on library, and now you'll find your picture. So I'll click on that, and since Mickey was already selected, once I come back over here, if it'll close, there we go. Now you see that I got Mickey inside the text. So I just want to add some color to it, but I'm gonna do an offset. I'm gonna offset that. I'll do that a little bit smaller. I'll do like a 0.05, and I want to make that black. Okay, so now you see it'll give you a totally different feel. And if you had a couple of different pictures, what you could do is say, like, I would take Mickey and I would bring it down there. And like, if I had it ungrouped, what I would do is each letter that I click on, I would go back to my library, find a different picture. Say I had Minnie Mouse, you know, and go to my library. I got Doom here, something that my son wanted me to do. But you see which letter was selected. So I click that once, close this, and now you see that it'll add some of what was from Doom. But we're not going to worry about that right now. That's just to show you. Let me move that out of the way because I'm going to come back up here. And I want to group that because that looks all right. But, I mean, end result, you want something that'll look better. What I'm going to do is I'm going to offset it again. This time I'll go 0.075, hit apply, and I want to do red. Okay, it's cool, still can be better. I'm going to do one more color. I'm going to offset it again, go 0.075, hit apply, and I'm going to go with yellow. So now you got a pretty good feel. You know, it's vibrant. You got different colors. You can see Mickey Mouse in there. And like I said, if you want to go letter for letter and maybe add like Goofy here, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, something like that, you can do it. And this comes in handy when you're doing sublimation, which I do sublimation. I sublimate shirts, I do koozies, I do shot glasses and water bottles, you name it. But this is the best way to get a good result. And if you wanted to add a background to it, we'll go like that. And say you want to add a color, let's do white. We'll send that to the back. And there you go. That's a pattern fill done in Silhouette Studio. You got it right here from LCT Unlimited. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a like. Leave a comment. Come back and check me out on the next one. Peace.
$10, but I give you 2 on the strength. Enough to get you off my back, but not to do much work. Nah, get out and get your own, nigga. Thought you was grown. Now you running around talking about a pocket full of stones. Hit the street with high hopes and this shit went wrong. Thought you should be ballin', but you ain't Jim Jones. And you like to talk about how you handle your business, but all you do is talk, nigga, still ain't did shit. Get off your ass and get up off the block. Go and get yourself some game, man, and keep it in stock. Until then, everything you do is gon' flop. Cause the game don't wait and the game don't stop. The money ain't shit without game. So get what you can get whenever you forget. The money ain't shit without game.